Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Birthday, Lulu! God bless you! God bless you! We love you! We love you! Happy birthday, Happy birthday! See you soon!
Happy birthday, Ate Lulu! More blessings and more birthday. 1, 2. Happy golden years!
Happy birthday, Lulu! May your 50s be filled with more love, more laughter, amazing experiences. God bless you and your whole family. Sana magkaroon naman tayo ng reunion. Again, happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Hi Lulu, happy golden year. You're officially a member of the Club AU. Enjoy your day, happy birthday, and hope to see you soon.
Dear Lulu, isang malaking karangalan at malaking biyaya ang makapagdiwang na ika-50 kaarawan. Dalangin ko na ang mga darating pang mga taon ay maging masaya kasama ang iyong pamilya. Maligayang kaarawan, nagmamahal, Cherry.
Hi Ate Lulu, happy birthday. Thank you for being such a great friend. I wish millions of happiness and success in your life. Hope your celebration gives you many happy memories. Happy birthday. Stay pretty.
Happy birthday, Lulu!
Stay healthy po.
God bless po and many more blessings to come. Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Lulu! Wish ko sa'yo is, syempre, is good health and long life at sana palagi kang happy and God bless you and sa family mo. Happy birthday again!
Happy birthday, Lou! Gosh, 50 years old. We're really getting there. And I'm just happy na even after college and despite distance, we still managed to keep in touch. I hope you're having a great day right now. And cliche man, but may all your dreams come true because you deserve them a lot. Happy birthday and take care always. Bye!
Happy birthday! 50!
Hi Mars! Happy birthday! Grabe, 50 years old ka na. Ano ba? Ano sasabihin ko? Thank you sa friendship. Thank you for always being there for us. Lalo na sa mga isang message, isang tawag na Mars na alam mo na kung ano yung mangyayari. And yeah, I am so proud of you bilang isang nanay ni Enzo and nanay ni Lance, na lagi ka nandyan, full support as always. Yeah, enjoy your day. Cheers to more years, another chapter. And God bless you. God bless your family. Happy birthday!
50!
Happy birthday, Ate Lulu! Wish ko sa'yo ay good health and more birthdays to come. Sana magkita-kita tayo ulit ng kumpleto. God bless. Happy birthday ulit!
Happy 50th birthday, Lulu! It's me, Kay. I hope you still remember college days. Lots of kalokohans and tawanans with Eliza, Carol, Mimi, sino pa ba? And of course, Joy Bakla, diba? So, nakakamiss. So, stay happy and healthy. God bless you and your family. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mars Lulu! Golden na ba? Di naman halata, parang 40 lang. I wish you all the best in life. And I also pray na sana gabayan kayo lagi ni Lord at protektahan and more blessings sa iyo at sa family mo. Isa ka sa mga super moms na nakilala ko. Easy lang sa iyo ang multitasking. Kayang-kaya mo yon. Doon ka magaling. Thank you din pala sa friendship at sa pagsagot lagi sa mga questions ko. Isang chat, ano ka lang, you're just one chat away. Happy birthday, Mars.
Birthday po.
Love you. Bye. Happy birthday.
Birthday po.
Happy birthday, Beshi! Lugaw party na! Ngayong 50 ka na, golden girl ka na!
10 years na lang, magkaka-ID ka na.
Salamat sa samahan nating tropang gala. More gala to us! Happy birthday, Beshi!
A fabulous 50th birthday si Mars Lulu. Patunay na age is just a number lang talaga. Thank you for all the tawanan, maritesan, kwentuhan, and memories together. Cheers to more birthdays to celebrate good health and happiness. Happy birthday!
Happiest birthday po, Ninang! Wishing you all the best on your special day. Stay fabulous and blessed. Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Mommy Lulu. I love you po.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday po.
Happy 50th birthday, Ate Lulu. May this year filled with love, peace, prosperity, and wonderful moments to add chapters into your wonderful life. May all your wishes come true. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Lulu. I wish you have a wonderful birthday. Love you. God bless. Mwah.
Lulu, happy birthday! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Age is just a number. Here's a little birthday toast just for you. I love you! Love you, love you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Lulu! May God guide you always, give you strength, and most of all, give you good health. Always love! Bye!
Happy birthday, Lulu! Ang wish ko sa birthday mo is sana matupad lahat ng birthday wish mo and all things you love. Happy, happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Lulu!
I miss you! Happy birthday, Chok! Love you!
Happy birthday!
Hi Lu, happy birthday. My God, 5 dekada na tayo. I miss you, alam mo yan. Even though hindi tayo lagi nagkikita, pero alam kong alam mo na love kita. 4Ms pa rin, solid yun. Nakakamiss lang yung lagi tayo magkakasama before. Kaya lang, syempre, iba pa rin yung may family life na tayong lahat. Part ka pa rin ng high school life ko, yung mga happiest moments ko. I wish you all the best, happiness, and stay healthy lagi sa buong family. I love you, I miss you. Happy birthday again.
Hi, Lu! How are you? So, happy birthday, Lu. And yeah, this is it, Lu. 50 years of existence. And it is a milestone indeed. Happy golden years to you. Happy birthday. It feels just like yesterday, Lu. When we were in high school, just you imagine, dati, ang iniintindi lang natin, paano tayo gagawa ng projects sa school. We shared a lot of jokes, katatawanan, secrets, and fun things. And especially kapag yung nagpupunta ako sa bahay nyo sa Pineda with your family around, nakakamiss lang. Ang hindi ko makalimutan is yung you're being obsessed with the artist, si Randy Santiago. May fan club activities kayo. Nakakatuwa lang, di ba? And
somehow, we've been through a lot of things together. And Lou, just so you know, even though we haven't seen each other for a long time, please know that our friendship has always stayed in my heart. Kahit na hindi tayo palaging nagkakausap at nagkakasama, I am still your friend. You can reach out to me whenever you need me, and I am just a call away or a message away. And Lou, thank you for allowing me to be part of your journey. Turning 50 is the greatest milestone indeed. It's not just an age. Actually, ako nasusunod sa'yo. And I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of the woman you've become, Lou. And may this new chapter brings you good health, strength, wisdom, peace, happiness, and more beautiful moments ahead. You deserve it. I miss you, Lou, and I miss also 4M's besties. I wish to see you all when I come back to Philippines, and I hope that our paths cross again soon. I'm sending you my big hugs and kisses to you, Lou. Happy 50th birthday and have fun, Bessie. Take care and regards to your family. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lulu. We miss you. Sana maging happy ka, matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. 50 na tayo, pero looking young pa rin. Di ba? Happy birthday! Love you!
Happy birthday, Lou. May God's blessings follow you today and always. Love God, love family. Enjoy.
Okay, happy birthday, Lou. Golden lady. So, happy birthday sa unang tumanda at tumidad. Kasi, maliban kay ate, bawal sabihin ang edad ni ate, Julian.
Okay lang.
Okay, so happy birthday. I wish you all the happiness. Wish ko sa'yo is, sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng malakas na pangatawan. And I know na kasi kailangan ka ng mga anak mo, especially Enzo. So I wish you good health and wealth. Yan. So ang prayer ko din sa'yo is sana magkaroon ka ng wisdom habang, kasi syempre umiidad tayo, sabay-sabay naman tayo tumatanda. So sana ibigay ni Lord lahat ng gusto mo. Gusto mo pa sa life. Yan. So one thing I remember, Lou, is yung pagiging organized niya sa mga events. Yan. So, dyan talaga siya maaasahan. So, sa kanya ko nakita yung kapag halimbawa, nung nag-tour tayo, umalis tayo, so lahat, everything is naka-Excel. Yun. So, lahat, pati gastos, pupuntahan, oras, yan. So, yun yung nare-remember ko sa'yo. And I remember, Lou, pinakaunang tao na naging close ko sa SBS. So, hindi lang kasi dahil magkasama kami before sa homes, but siguro somehow talagang nag-drive yung personalities naming dalawa. So, yun yung nare-remember ko kay Lou. I remember Lou sa music. Alam ko paborito niya si Nina. Kayla pala. Paborito ko. Hindi pala si Nina. So iyon. So, I remember Lou sa music, sa mga jokes. So, ayun. Yun ang nare-remember ko sa kanya. So, sana maging happy ka and good health. Yan ang prayer ko for your 50th birthday. Happy birthday, Lou. Yeah.
Ako na. Haba. Happy birthday, Ate Lulu. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na ate pala kita.
Ate.
Hi, ate. Ayun, anong naalala ko kay Lulu? Yung pa din yung dati pa din yung sa jeep pa rin. Kung paano kayo nag-umpisa ni Darwin. Siguro yung tumatak talaga sa akin kay Lulu. Siyempre kasama na rin yung mga encouragements niya sa akin to do more, to be the best of me. Ayun, happy birthday, Lulu. Happy birthday to Lulu. Wish you all the best. And see you the soonest. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Mina?
Ate.
Ako na?
Yes.
Hi, Lu. Happy birthday. Sabi ko na hindi ako makakapagsalita eh. Buti lang yung nagkikwentuhan na lang tayo. Uy, Anita,
Member mo kay Lulu. Bukod sa
Yung
mga...
pasensya na ha. Kasi sabi ko sa kanila, hindi ako masalita eh. Buti sana kung nagkikwentuhan lang tayo. Pero yung ganito yung personal na sasabihin ko, wala akong masabi. Basta happy birthday na lang at saka sana magkita tayo soon. Yun lang.
Ako ba? Ikaw na. Ako na. Lu! Malapit na tayo mag-it's a tie. Kaya ng Ate Lulu, alam mo ba? Happy golden birthday. Okay. Ayun, naalala ko sa'yo, pag nakikita ko yung color purple, kasi mahilig ka sa purple, no? And yung mga choices of colors mo is masyadong, yung medyo masaya, happy lang, parang cool lang palagi. Ayun, and syempre, nami-miss ka na rin namin. Miss na namin lahat, actually. Kasi matagal-tagal na rin tayong hindi nagkita-kita. Ulit, the last time is November pa yun, no? Bago pa ikasal si Edison. So, yun lang. At wish you good health and sana lahat ng desires mo at saka prayers mo for your family and for yourself. And always take care of yourself kasi we're not getting any younger na. So, papunta na tayo sa mga, hindi ko alam kung Titas of Manila na ba to? Lolas of Manila. Pero,
Lolas of Manila.
Happy birthday. Sana magkita-kita tayo ulit. Yun lang. It's your turn to shine, Mary Ann.
Yun lang. Happy birthday, Ate Lulu. I miss you. Yun. Huling usap namin, no, sa comment pa, yung sa TikTok ko. Mas nag-enjoy siya sa bloopers ko, di ba? Kasi yun, medyo PNP eh. Nakakainis, no? Kasi yun, naalala lang, nakakamiss lang. Thank you sa friendship, sa 6 years na sa SGS ako. Malaking parte ka ng buhay ko doon sa mga help mo, sa mga videos, sa mga pag-design. Yun lang naman. So, happy 50th birthday. Ayan. Malapit na ako doon, 5 years na lang. So, sana magkita-kita tayo ulit. Yun lang, I love you.
Happy birthday.
Lu.
Happy birthday, Lu.
Happy birthday, Lu.
Happy birthday, Ate Lulu. Ate Lulu.
Tayo magkasabay-sabay.
Happy birthday, Lulu. Happy golden birthday, golden girl. Welcome to the club. Stay beautiful. More healthy years, adventures, and happiness to come. Stay kikayas ever. I'll see you soon. Enjoy your special day.
being a golden girl. Love you.
Hi, Sisi! Happy birthday. Sabi ni Darwin, debo mo raw. Pero seriously, today is your birthday, 50th birthday, and I want to celebrate you. I want to celebrate the beautiful person, the beautiful sister that I have. I'm so lucky that I have you as my sister. For the past 50 years, you've given so much love, so much understanding, effort, attention to all the people that you love, and I'm a witness to that. You are a very strong person, and I know in time God will give the desires of your heart, the prayers that you are asking the Lord to be answered. You have a golden heart, and I celebrate you. I celebrate your life. I wish you fabulous years ahead as you enter the golden years. I love you, Sisi. And I'm just here for you. And have a blast on your day today. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to the mom that fills our home with smile, love, and good food.
Thank you, Mommy, for always taking care of us.
Thank you po for always providing for us.
Stay fabulous, healthy, and remember that your boys will always love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy! We love you!